She's just so sweet.
Sweet. And spicy. So, wanna steal a race car? The big race is coming up, and Aurora's got their top secret prototype stashed at Brooklyn's Platinum car dealership. And you two are going to swipe it. First, we gotta figure out exactly where they're storing it. That means a scouting trip. And once we have the deets, come back here and we'll plan the slickest race car heist you've ever seen. Knock 'em dead.
For a test drive, right? I'll take your car, head straight through the doors. Manager will meet you inside.
Not bad service, huh?
I wrote you a little script. Hit that button, help me hack it, and I can get eyes all over this dealership. Should be able to track down the prototype's location. Signal's rock solid. You and I are gonna be besties. Now let's see. Heavy security, obviously. Aurora sparing no expense on firepower, as usual. And... bingo. There it is. Take a good look, because soon those beautiful wheels will be ours. Okay, all that's left is a little more snooping. Poke around the dealership and send me pics of anything interesting. You never know, it might come in handy. Follow the employee corridor and you'll reach the prototype bay directly. Convenient setup for test drives. But maybe it could be convenient for us too, huh? That is one infiltration-proof door. That must be the prototype garage. No getting in the front, but maybe the back door will work. Floating car displays? Very extra, but good for a hasty aerial escape? Maybe. I'll keep that one up my sleeve. If you can't get through the main gate, you might be able to get over the wall. I'm definitely incubating a plan here, chickadee. That's a heavy-duty security gate. It's made of...
All done with the test drive, boss? Hop in. I'll give you a lift back. I'm on the edge of my seat.
Good, because it's time for phase 2. Aurora's driver is the lovely Georgette Jackson, better known as Jet. Lucky us, Jet's just about the size of Natalie. Can you say perfect disguise? While Natalie's handling her wardrobe, Killer here will bust back into the dealership and secure our escape plan with a little help from some toys I'm providing. He'll hack the drone system and give me full control. Let's hop to it.
Creepers. How about them peepers? With your enhanced vision, you'll be able to avoid the gaze of the cameras. Hey, my favorite part. Type a few lines and we get their little secrets. Got it. Easy peasy. 4584. Your new lucky numbers. Now, head to the drone hangar. That guy up ahead's frozen solid, huh? Not moving an inch. Forget it. Leave it to me. I'll give this little bug a hotfix.
Hello? Laser hemorrhoid surgery consultation? How did you... Hold on, let me find somewhere private to talk.
Just checked his browser history. A single call did the trick. Let's keep the contents between us. Professional courtesy.
Yeah, I was,
He's too busy chatting up an AI to notice you. Keep moving, but careful. There are smarter guards patrolling the route. No tricks getting past them. You're gonna have to get your literal sneak on. surprise waiting for you. Natalie crushed it, like always. And now chill. You don't rush arm. And stealth is high-grade performance. That guy's heading straight for you. Find somewhere to hide, quick.
Weapons free!
Two slackers down there under the stairs. Careful, one of them's coming up. Play it smart, find your moment, and slip past through the stairwell. If you're in hands 584, you'll be able to avoid the gaze of the camera refresh. I've sent you the backdoor program. Install it into those drone units. Give their control systems a little patch. One group downstairs, give their control systems a little patch. One group downstairs, two upstairs. All handpicked by me. Once you hack the system, I'll be able to take control of whatever I like. That's how I'll get you and the wheels out of there on the big day.
Looks like you've got everything squared away. That Georgette girl was reasonable enough. Didn't take much convincing to borrow her gear. And I gotta say, she's got good taste. This ride's a beauty.
All systems go, besties. Keep your phones on. The big show's about to start.
Look absolutely adorable.
Oh, this helmet must have years' worth of jet sweat soaked into it.
Think of it as immersing yourself in the part. Now, down to business. Your disguises will get you inside. Security will be hot, so dispose of any resistance and get to the prototype ASAP. Drive onto the test track, build up speed, ramp the car onto the drone platform, and fly out. I'll be waiting for you nearby with a little surprise. Wink, wink.
Aurora's gonna come in heavy. What have we got for firepower?
So glad you asked. Your girl's hooking you up. Shotguns, RPGs, all the ammo you need. I know, I'm the best. Grab a crate and head out. This is it, you beautiful babes. Let's get to work.
It's showtime. Time to shine.
Wait,
Track data says just head down this hall and hang a left.
That's all they've got? Pathetic.
Not quite. There are more reinforcements inbound. They called in the big guns. Don't get cocky. Use cover.
Reload!
Targeting.
Good done. Clip is empty. Gotta reload. Cover me! I'm firing! On the move! Taking that! Weapons moving!
I've got cover!
I'm almost there.
Got it. We're in business. That's an awful lot of Aurora troops.
Yeah, they're coming in hot now. Don't worry, besties. Just stay focused. Stick to the plan, and everything's gonna be awesome.
There's the ramp. Hell of a jump. You ready to catch some serious air? Sugar, your driving will knock these fools into neck. Go grease lightning. You got them eating something. Get us the hell out of here. Whew. Ha! That's a 10 out of 10 for me, Sugar.
On it like a bonnet, baby. Goody. Aurora's trying to override my control of the drone. Hold the line, pal. I'll be back inside.
I've always been fond of your explosive personality. Like popping frogs with cherry bombs down by the creek. More like the Annie Oakley of rocket launches. got to be kidding me. Girl, I'll tell you.
Told you I had a little surprise for you.
I think we have different definitions of little.
Got this baby for a steal in an online auction. I didn't have to cheat much. Anyway, this airship is small potatoes compared to what you two just pulled off. You're my heroes. And this is just the beginning.